Welcome back to Inqua News. The alleged assault on Advocate Ankur Kumar in Morjim has triggered fresh demands from Goa's legal fraternity for a dedicated Advocate Protection Act. Lawyers group said the incident highlights growing safety concern for advocates carrying out professional duties and urged the state government to introduce a law safeguarding lawyers from threats and violence. The demand follows a Mandrim police FIR against 10 persons over the alleged assault and criminal intimidation of advocate and his client.
Conflicts. There is no single day when a lawyer is not in conflict, whether it is trial court, session courts, appellate court or revenue court. Everywhere we are representing our client, everywhere we are in a dispute. And if these people, if we are not protected, if under any particular law, then it will be very difficult for the officers of the court to represent our clients in court. And this will lead to miscarriage of justice and delay in justice, and ultimately all know justice delayed is justice denied. So what I want to say is, these are not any isolated incidents. Recently, yesterday Ankur was attacked. Before that, advocate Sadanand Vaingankar was attacked, and before that Sawant was attacked. So these are systematic attacks done by some people to cause fear in the minds of lawyer, that if I don't care whatever the court order is, I don't care what the justice delivery system does, if you don't act according to my whims and fancies, you will meet my fists and iron rods, and I will cause injury to you. So if this continues, how will lawyers represent their clients effectively in the court of law? And so many of the lawyers, they file PILs in high courts and supreme courts. How will these PILs reach their proper conclusion if a lawyer is constantly put under the fear that they will get beaten up? So if we see right now, there are in the state of Rajasthan, Telangana and Karnataka, we have something called as Advocates Protection Act. So even in Goa, we are seeing that such incidents of advocates getting assaulted are on the rise. So we demand that even in Goa, there should be an Advocates Protection Act. And it is quite fortunate that on the last assembly session in the month of March, Goa government introduced the Goa Advocates Protection Act. And of course, it is there is a whole process, and it has to go through a process. It is still pending before the Legislative Assembly. So I request Goa government, I request the Chief Minister, I request the Law Minister that this bill should become an act and it should be enforced as soon as possible.
That incident happened last yesterday. So we meet DIG sir. So he gave us insurance that out of 10 people, 1 people was arrested, and they will arrest all the culprits who are involved in this case very soon. And he gives the assurance also for law and order. It will be maintained in the Goa state, but this is very shameful to attack on the advocates. Okay. So I want to say to our chief ministers and law minister to maintain the law and order in the Goa, because every time, every day incidents coming up, and it's come to know that so and so advocates are beaten up, so and so are assaulted. This is not good. Actually, yesterday the advocate who went there, he was under this thing with the order of Supreme Court, with the order of High Court, and Goa Coastal Management Zone officer also was escorting there, but police was not there. There is something gap to inform the police or something maybe, but this is not good to assault the advocates. So advocate is the officer of the court. If you assault the advocates and beat up the advocates, how he will represent to the Goan people?
तो जो इन्सिडंट जाला तो आमी स्ट्रॉंगली कंडेम करता. तो एक अंकूर एक एडवोकेट आनी तो गेल्लो त्या जाग्यार एक कोर्टाची ऑर्डर घेवन, सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर घेवन गेल्लो, आनी तरी पूण तेजेर एक 10 जाणांनी अटॅक केलो. हें अशें जावपाक जायनाशें, कित्याक एडवोकेट एक कोर्टाचो ऑफिसर म्हणटात एडवोकेटाक, आनी कोर्टाचो ऑफिसर आसतना थंय वचोन तेका जेन्ना थंय तो गेलो ते कोर्टाची ऑर्डर घेवन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक, तेन्ना तेजेर अटॅक जालो हो जावपाक जायना. आनी हितून जे आमचे सरकार आहा तितूंक तेणी लक्ष घालून अशें फुडें अशें एडवोकेटाचेर अटॅक जावपा जायना म्हणून जे एडवोकेट प्रोटेक्शन बील आहा तेजेर जाता तितले बेगीन तेजेर एक्शन घेवन ते पास करून घेवपाक जाय.
An attack on an advocate is an attack on constitution. Advocate Ankur Kumar was assaulted yesterday. Now we cannot show a draft piece of legislation to the gundas who are assaulting us. We want that advocate protection bill to be passed so that it is enforceable. So I kindly request the government to kindly enact that piece of legislation as soon as possible so that we as advocates should not face fear. And the thing that we feel that if we go to implement an order or something, we should not be in the fear of assault or let's say of attack. So I request the Goa government and the law minister, chief minister to kindly enact this act as soon as possible.
सगळ्या इन्सिडेंटाक तुम्ही कोणाक ब्लेम करता?
See, this is a law and order situation. It looks like the criminals have no fear of law in their minds. That is why they are going against a Supreme Court and High Court order. So you imagine they have zero regards for the apex court. So this is the situation right now. So I think the law and order situation in Goa is a very critical stage right now. And I think all the government should
Goa?
Sorry?
Are advocates safe in Goa?
Looking at the current scenario and what has happened in the last year, I don't think advocates are very safe in Goa.
Could you just elaborate what was the exact incident of that?
See, as per the media records of what we have received, we don't have the copy of FIR with us right now, unfortunately. FIR has been registered on 10 people.
No, matter किती तो कित्या खातीर थंय गेल्लो तो?
Advocate Ankur Kumar,
हय.
he had an order from the Supreme Court of India, an order of High Court
Saying?
for demolition of that property
Whose property belongs?
in Murjim,
Whose
Eden
property?
Gardens,
The owner from Goa or the outsider?
Goa.
Okay.
So when he went for the demolition order of the property to see that the demolition is properly carried out, this incident took place. Some people broke into his car and they beat him up with rods, stones and bricks, and he was badly injured. He has been fractured in the eye socket, he's been bleeding through the nose. There are various injuries on his body.
When the incident took place, that time any police authority was there with him?
No.
बार काउन्सिल कितें म्हणटाचे?
See, in the morning, the Panji Lawyers Forum, they had gone to meet the DIG. The DIG has given us assurance that he is going to follow up with this matter diligently and he is going to see that the culprits, whoever has assaulted him, they will be brought in the court of law. Justice will be given to Mr. As of now, the Bar Council, I'm not aware if they have given any statement, official statement. So it would be better to ask the Bar Council.